This video brings you a supplement to the content of the previous video, as long as it is an example of the interactive features in the right-hand toolbar. First, we select this container. Add its status to it. Click Activate. Adjust it to the container size. After that, we insert a container in this container. Activate stacking. Modify the size of the container. Change the color of the container. Add an opacity of 70%. Then in this container we insert an icon. Go ahead and insert a text box. Type the text. Change the size of the text again. Click on this container outside. Activate State 1. Click on this text input box again. Add an interaction. Select the state toggle. Check the location of this container. Change the name of both. Finally, find this container in the object. Select State 1. Preview again. Click on this container to select State 1. Resize it a bit. Finish. After that, we select this container. In this container we select this icon. Add its status to it. Activate the status. Adjust it to invisible. Then we add another icon. Highlight the icon according to the icon. Find the size and position of the icon. Finally, change the color to blue for this icon. Add its status. Activate the status. Also make it invisible. Let's click on this icon to add a cross to it. Select State Swap. The object selects itself. Then select another state. Select another icon. Make a preview view. After that, select another icon. Do the same. Do the preview. Let's select this container again. First, we'll make the external container bigger. Then let's select this container and make it bigger as well. In this container we insert a container. Activate stacking. Cancel the background color. Resize it. Add a stroke to it. Cancel the association. Add a color. Let's duplicate this container again. In this container we add a container. Again, cancel its background color. Duplicate this container. We select this container, add a general model variable. Select the number of copies to be made, to make it align by stacking. After that we click on this container again. Add the state. Modify it to a substate. Copy the text entered. Activate it in turn. Then change its background color. Select a color. Change the color of the 12 substates in turn, speeding up the skip. Finish. After that, in this container we insert an icon. Drag the icon out. Modify the size of the icon. Place it in the right place. Change the color of the icon to white. Click on this container. Let's add an interaction to it. Click on the state swap. Click on the object. Click on this container to add a state to it as well. Click to activate invisible. We select this container outside, according to the cancel-free arrangement. Select this container in both. Select the status. Select state 1. Make the size bigger. Cancel his invisibility. Let's select this container first. Add a state. Both expanded. Select state 1 again. Wait until he should start joking. Select state 1 when we select this container again. Then do the invisible activation again. After that, select this container again. We add a state. Select state 1. Stack it. Activate state 1. After that, select the container again, Resize it. We click this button. Add state swapping interaction. Change the name. Select the object as container O2. After that, go ahead and add it. Select the container to be selected again. Name the container as container O3. Select container O3 for the object. Preview it. Modify the time interval. Finish. Then resize the container. Finally, perform the overall preview view. Today we bring you the sixth part of application building. The main body of the build is the components from the previous installment. Thanks for watching. See you next time.